pretty rough handoff.
Yeah, we can straighten all that up a little bit.
I have an idea about that actually.
Huh?
I have an idea about it.
So we just clamp it in there and grab it.
Yeah, clamp it in there and put it in free drive and set that as the waypoint.